Vantop Moment 6S Action Camera Hands-on, Image Stabilization delivers great videos review. I quite liked the Vantop Moment 3 Action Camera when I looked at it in 2018. It was a nice, easy-to-use, low-cost camera with a whole host of accessories. I was interested to see how the Vantop Moment 6S compared. The box is packed with accessories. There is a waterproof housing, 1 long and 2 short connectors, a 360-degree adapter, a 2.4 GHz remote control, a tripod mount adapter, a bicycle mount, rubber plug, USB-C cable, 2 batteries, and a cleaning cloth. There is also a waterproof case touch rear door, a microphone, a helmet fixing, helmet mounts, a J-hook buckle, and 2 adhesive pads. You do need to buy a micro SD card up to 128 GB to go into the camera. The camera is nice and compact, measuring 62.5 x 41 by 21 mm in size. It weighs 85 grams out of its waterproof case and 164 grams in its case. It has a 2.33-inch UHD touchscreen with 720 by 480 resolution, and its camera has a Sony IMX377 sensor and low power consumption. The 12MP 4000 by 3000 pixel camera has a 170-degree field of view with an aperture of f2.8. Lensing of the image was minimal and the image quality, stored as .jpg, was good. Top ZDNET reviews inside the camera. A quad-core A53 ARM Cortex processor is running at up to 1 GHz and an Ambarella H2 chipset. The camera has a variety of functions including time-lapse and slow motion. Like Moment 3, the Moment 6S has 4K video resolution at 3840 by 2160 pixels and will record images at intervals of the 1st or the 2nd of May 10, 20/30, 60 seconds and May 15, 30 minutes. Sadly, there is no night vision to capture the creatures that visit my garden in the dark. Its 1200 mAh batteries will deliver around 90 minutes of recording time at 40/60 fps. I like the fact that the camera has image stabilization to make the video captures less jerky. The touch screen was fairly easy to navigate with intuitive controls. The remote control wristband also worked well with simple controls to start and stop video recording, take still images, or use the camera in burst mode to capture images in quick succession. The remote control also lets you turn the Wi-Fi on and off and turn the camera off. Pairing to the camera was straightforward too, using the remote control icon at the top of the screen and pairing to the remote. Photo mode lets you take single images, a set of photo lapse images over time, or burst mode images. The camera also has an 8x digital zoom feature. To change from video to photo mode, all I needed to do was slide up from the bottom of the touch screen. The Moment 6S can also be used as a dashcam in your car. It has a useful feature, car mode, that will automatically start to record after the camera has been rebooted. The Moment 6S also has an app, so you can connect to the camera and share your videos. Search for Vantop Moment in the App Store to download the app. There are a lot of apps listed, so it might be better to use the QR code in the user guide to find the Moment. Feel this moment with Vantop Moment 6S app to make sure you install the correct version. Once you have installed the app, connect over Wi-Fi, add the password, and open the app to manage features of the camera and upload images to your social feeds. All in all, the Vantop Moment 6S Action Camera is a nice camera with all the accessories and fixings for a variety of activities. At under $150, it is certainly a low-cost camera, which will suit your budget if you are reluctant to shell out for a GoPro. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.